guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a little video on father-in-law's 2005 Skoda Fabia. Now when I did the headlights, which I'll put a link in up there, which I must say still looking rather good, I noticed that his fan was making a racket when it was sort of up at number 3 or 4. So I think we're going to have a look at that now. I'll show you what I mean. Let's go and have a look now. Right, we'll turn the fan on. So that's not actually working on number 1 either. Ooh, resistor may be gone. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4, take off. But yeah, definitely not working on number 1. Ah, sounds like another job. Let's get it apart and have a look. So we start by taking that off. If I can rest you there. Just pull this out. And then pull it towards the back of the car. And if all the clips don't come out, see they're in there, they'll just be stuck in there. You just got to pop them out, slide them back in. Alright, next I'll move you over there, hopefully. See some screws, can you see? Yes. Right, so that's the screws there. Top ones anyway. Let's buzz them out if we can. What if I do that? Close that, and then we can do the bottom 2. And I'll move you so we can see. I hope you can see that one, because I can't see anything because the light's in my eyes. And then this one under here. And that should, the whole thing should come out in theory. Give it a wiggle. So behind here is a little tube for the air con into the glove box, and obviously the little electrical connection for the light. I don't think I'm going to be able to. I'll show you. If I pull that one off, that was easy. And then this one, you just squeeze these 2 tangs, put it off, and then we're away. Does seem to be a lot of debris in here. I have to get a vacuum out. Yeah. Right, so we've got the fan unit up there. It looks like there's, I don't know, 4 maybe. I don't know if there's one up there. I'll have to have a look in a sec. Little T15s. And that's under there. I'll put you down, sorry. Is the cabin filter. So we just pull those 2 clips together. That pops down. Let's see what's in here. There should be a little tab to pull. Oh, blimey, there's a lot in here. I'd say that there's a fair bit of debris in there. I mean, it's not horrendously dirty, there's just loads of debris. Right, let's take the front off and have a look, I guess. Sorry, Bill, I'm making a mess of your car. We're up underneath, and I've only got this in a T15. This is a bit rusty there, crumbs. So I'll do what I can. This may take some time. that's them out. Let's give it a wiggle. So wire there. Let's unhook these wires. Now I reckon, can you see that? I got a feeling that might be our problem. There's a lot of debris in there. Seems to spin okay. Let's have a look up inside. No, not a lot of debris in there. And there's nothing in there. So let's give this a vacuum out. Try not to lose the screws. And I'll vacuum that out and yeah, we'll try it. Okay, let's give this a test. It must be noted there are a couple of balance weights on here, so you don't want to knock them off. There was, I don't know, almost like a nut or something stuck in there as well. Not a metal nut, a sort of peanut type nut. So I've got the ignition on. Let's try. I'm just reaching over the fan. I'll hold on tight, mind. Nothing on one. Number 2, 3, 4. Oh, that ain't bad. Obviously number 1's not working. Right, let's turn the ignition off. I reckon that's ready to go back in. Just got to fiddle and wiggle around with it for a bit. It'll go in. That feels like about it. I must get myself a better tool than this for T15. There we are, back in. Right, next we're going to put the cabin filter in, which is hidden away somewhere. There it is. Now, you wouldn't normally vacuum these out, but I haven't got one, so. Which way was it? That way, I think, wasn't it? Let me grab the cover. Sort of goes up there somehow. Just slide those little clips. That doesn't look right. That's better. There. Right, glove box next. So I have to connect that pipe and that wire like we took off. Click, and then squish that one on there. Grab me light. Alright, it's got a couple of screws in the bottom, preferably without blinding myself. don't want to wang them up too tight. And then we got the top ones to do. You can't see. Let's adjust you. Can you see them now? Yeah. And then put this one back in there. Just clips in there. Line them up. Done. Right, let's try it out. Ignition on. One we know is not working. Yep. Oh, there's still a bit of vibration there. It's better, but not perfect. But I'm going to have to tell Bill about this number one not working. But that's a lot better than it was. Right, that is it for today. Not absolutely perfect, but a partial success. At least it isn't vibrating like it was. So I'll have to tell Bill about, obviously, the fan not working on number one. Could be a resistor issue. And there's no, perhaps the motor's on its way out because it's vibrating just a tiny bit. But it's better than it was. Anyway, I hope this is of some use to you. If it's not a hard job. It's a bit awkward, a bit fiddly. Getting the 4 screws out for the fans, a little bit fiddly, especially when you've only got a sort of Allen wrench type T15, but it's doable. It just takes a bit longer. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe, see some other stuff, including doing his lights, and I hope to see you next time. Cheers then.